Wait. Tama. Solar eclipse declare. Ow, ow. Ah! 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 Sleep. Come on. I want to sleep. Ah. Skeleton. Ah. Ah. Oh, come on. Seriously. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel, and I speak English because nasasanay na ako magtagalog, at may mga iba ritong mahilig ay mga may mga taga at di alam ang Tagalog, di ba? Mabanis. Yan. So I'm gonna speak English for now. Sorry if you hate English, but I like English. It's little bit hard, but I like it. I like it. Okay, so this episode, I mean, we're gonna create wrong sampling. We're gonna create a Christmas tree. Wait, I need to explain that. Okay, so first we need this dark oak sampling, and then we go and let's grab a ladder. Oh, come on. So let's get some dirt for something to use this thing, because you remember the hotel. Wait, I don't remember that my video when I build a hotel at I know now, hotel treehouse. You remember that technique. You're gonna get some dirt in the top of that, and that boom, palabam boom. There we go, perfect. And let's go get some axe and very good. So let's craft oh, there you go. So give me, there you go. So like, oh come on, there's a pig. Throw that. Oh come. So let's craft. Wait, let's craft a ladder. That's the thing that, there we go. So we need some more sticks, and let's craft this thing, and balabim balabam boom, and let's go craft some. So it up. Let's throw some little bit trash there, and yeah. Okay, so very good. Okay, let's go. So magtagalog muna ako salita. Nung search ko yung sarili ko sa social media din, sa social blade, yung para makita yung live chat, live subscribe ko dahil, at maya may nag-unsubscribe sa akin, kaya naging 156. Nagulat ako nun. Kaya sino yung nag-unsubscribe sa akin, ibabash kita. Hindi, joke. It's a I'm a peaceful vlogger. Did you know that? I'm a peaceful vlogger. Di ako nakipag-away. I'm a peaceful vlogger. Or maybe not. Okay, let's go again. Akyat. Let's go up and down. Ha! Ha! I need shovel. And why you destroy that thing? You're dumb. You're dumb. You're dumb axe. Okay. So you hear the if you hear the speaker, it's my mom's fault because he's not fault. Tagalog ko na nga, nahirapan na naman ako mag-English eh. Ay, nagpatugtog lang si mama. Baka kaya sinarado ko yung pinto mama ko. Ito, para mabawasan ng mga ng unting sound. Nandiyan. So, tanggalin muna natin itong mga extra leaves. So, lagyan natin ng mga fruits and other things. So, yung gagawin natin star ay yung diamond. Ay, look. So, itong technique na ito ay isang pang malupitan lang ang mga pwede. Okay, nawala, visit. Tinapon mo? You're dumb. You're dumb, Vince. You're dumb. There we go. So let's sneak into not. I said sneak into not get this stick. Or we need this. 10. Hey, go. Do you want this? Sorry. Okay, parkour. May isa pala doon there's a one village in desert village there. When stop talking for now. So I'm busy. Okay, good. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Go. Bye. Shh. Nga pala, kailangan ko pala ito pang lang. Pang defense. Doing lobby. So, let's crap again. Wait to get some ladder. Okay, so craft ladder. Okay, 3 ladders. Other ladders, and good. Then go. So where's the? So it's okay if my Christmas trees are bullock. Okay, very good. I think. Come on. For now, kakainin muna natin rotten. Basurang pagkain. It's really rotten. Okay, let's carve again. From some woody. And let's sleep now. Because it's night time. Where's my horse, I mean? Hey, little peach. Hey. Hey! I said hey. Never happened na hindi nyo, magkunyari kayo hindi nyo nakitang pinorder ko yung pig na yun. Yeah. Yung makukulong. Pwede nga mag-murder dito sa Minecraft eh. At sinagsabi pwede kang makulong dito sa Minecraft. Kaya survival eh. Good. Chen. Let's go. Okay. Tatang dami. Ten. So let's craft now. Tap on the stick. Ang matinawa natin yan. Good. Let's go again. Sana sa update kapag sisira yung puno, may parang particles na puno na lumalabas katulad ng leaves. Hindi yung mga parang ganito lang. Tsaka yung laki naman yan. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Sinira mo naman. Just okay, let's go.